Hey there, garden lovers! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Today, I've got something super cool to share with you. Did you know that a simple spoonful of vinegar can work wonders in your garden? Yep, you heard that right. Stick around, and I'll tell you all about the 11 powerful benefits of using vinegar in your garden. First up, vinegar is an amazing weed killer. Just mix 1 part vinegar with 1 part water and spray it on those pesky weeds. They'll be gone in no time. Next, it's a fantastic pest repellent. Aphids, ants, and other annoying critters hate the smell of vinegar. A little spritz here and there can keep them at bay. Got soil that's too alkaline? Vinegar can help with that too. Add a spoonful to a gallon of water and use it to water your plants. It lowers the pH, making the soil more acidic, perfect for plants that love acidic conditions like rhododendrons and blueberries. If you have stubborn mineral deposits on your garden tools or pots, vinegar is your friend. Soak them in a vinegar solution, and those deposits will dissolve away. Ever had to deal with fungus on your plants? Make a simple antifungal spray with 1 tablespoon of vinegar in a gallon of water. Spray it on the affected areas and watch the fungus disappear. Vinegar can even extend the life of your cut flowers. Add a spoonful of vinegar and a spoonful of sugar to the vase water. Your flowers will stay fresh longer. For those of you dealing with cats or dogs digging in your garden, vinegar can be a deterrent. Spray a vinegar solution around your garden, and the strong scent will keep them away. Now, if you're composting, vinegar can help speed up the process. Just a little bit added to your compost pile can help break down organic material faster. Vinegar is also great for cleaning your bird baths. A vinegar solution can remove algae and disinfect the bath without harming the birds. If you're dealing with clay-heavy soil, vinegar can help improve it. Mix vinegar with water and spray it onto the soil. It helps to break up the clay, making it easier for roots to grow. Finally, if you want to keep your garden tools sharp and rust-free, wipe them down with a vinegar-soaked cloth after use. It prevents rust and keeps them in top condition. So, there you have it. 11 powerful benefits of putting just 1 spoonful of vinegar in your garden. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.